Hi, this is Mark. This is Thursday, the 27th of March 2025, and we're in a Trump presidency now, and the markets are all over the place. But one of the things that you will find, we like to trade with the trend, whether it's going up, we want to buy, and down, we want to sell. However, as with this NZD USD at the moment, we are stuck in a tight range. So one of the ways to try to trade these is you buy at the bottom and you sell at the top. However, I like multiple reasons to take a trade, so I would not sell here, because where are you going to put your stop? You put it here, but it's a guess. There's no multiple reasons. Here is more interesting. I've got the daily 55 EMA in the way. I have the 4-hour 200 EMA. I have previous support and resistance. And looking to the left, there have been numerous occasions where price has bounced off this area. So you could consider this one. You'd place your stop down here, which is only 15 pips away. The range in total is 30, so you're scraping the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. However, price is reacting on here. A better choice is the pound yen. So the pound yen on a weekly is clearly in a triangle. We're going up, but then we've had lower highs. So it's as clear as mud. It's currently stuck at this weekly trend line. On a daily, we are above all these EMAs, so as ever, we look for a pullback into this area to take a trade long. But again, we're struggling for 5 reasons. However, if you go down to the 4-hour, you can see on the 4-hour, in the last 10 days or so, this was previous resistance and now has become support. And in here, if I fib, so if I'm trading on a 4-hour, I fib the 4-hour, and I fib from here to here. And now I have placed 2 orders here. I've split the order in half. I have one order with an aggressive stop of 40 pips, and it is below the 78.6 fib, the daily 200 EMA rather, previous major support and resistance, trend line, in an up channel, long term, and with a reasonably good risk reward. I'm risking 45 for a potential 185, 200. The second part I've put with a bigger stop. So the stop is actually, it's this one here. Stop is 75 pips, which is the most I like to go to. But still, the risk reward ratio is there. So my thinking is, if this one gets taken out, I should still have a good chance of a profitable trade here. And think on, we've just seen the weekly trend line. So at this point here, I will take 85% of the profit and leave the balance to run maybe for a bigger move. I hope that helped how to trade ranges.